Hello, this is Bear from Bearwave. How's it going? Here's with another video of Bitcoin. So there's an update, obviously, of the many videos that are in the channel, and all I can say is not much has changed. I still have all the options available at the moment. None of them actually really changed. They're still valid, but we are at a point where it looks like we will get an answer soon. Now, what I mean by that is, so as you can see, obviously here we have the triangle option, which is obviously one I showed you in one of the previous videos. Triangle in wave 4, which suggests for a triangle here in wave B of D. So what does it mean? It means that if we focus on this price action, we will get higher, and then, however, we will resume lower to then break to all-time high. So obviously, that's a possibility. If not, what could happen is that we may have the triangle in wave 4 completed, which is one of the alternates I was suggesting in one of the videos, one of the latest. Basically, delete this, and here I thought, what if we have, it would be quite ugly, I'll be honest with you. It would be something like this, but ugly doesn't mean impossible. Ugly just means it's not something that people would expect, and just for that, just because I don't think people would expect it, I think it should be given some credibility. That's my personal thought. It doesn't break any other wave rules. We still have a wave D in 3 waves right here, and then wave E in also 3 waves. But it obviously, it's not something you would like to see in an ideal triangle, at least a regular one, a symmetrical. You like to see each and every wave being in some kind of Fibonacci relationships. So usually it's 61.8, so you would like to see wave D being 61.8, wave B, so around here, around 52,000, which if we measure wave A, and so let me bring back the ABC for wave D, A, B, and C. So if we say that, and let me zoom in for this, if we say that wave B is finished, the triangle in wave B is finished, obviously here we would have wave A, B, C, D, and E of minute B, so that would be minuet, and as you guys know, I like it to make it red. So if that's the case, and let me drag this into the triangle folder, otherwise they get messed up. So if that's the case, what could happen is that we do see further upside, and obviously we would like to see equality of wave C and A, and guess where equality is? 52,000, and here we have a 61.8 fib retracement of wave D compared to B. So as I always say, do you believe in coincidence? Because I do not. And that's a strong evidence in favor of this count. Now, as I was saying in the beginning of the video, that we may see some kind of move soon, is because if we zoom out a little, we are approaching, as you guys probably already noticed, the 200 EMA, which is the purple line. So if we will approach it and rejected it, most likely something is happening, and we could see further downside. However, if we break just through, obviously we would like to see a clear break and a retest, then we could look for further upside, which doesn't mean the correction is completed. It just means that we do have further upside, and obviously you can just fall back as we did here. Broke through, retested it, move higher, broke through to the downside, retested it, and move lower. That's possible. We could see the same thing happening, for wave D and E. If you think about it, we saw this for wave B and C. We could most likely see that for wave D and E. And at that point, we could move higher. Now, the other alternates, which are, as you can see here, we have regular ABC, potentially wave 4 position here. Could it happen? Yes, this could be wave 4, triangle in wave 4, so it'd be something like this. I'll just mark it up for you. Doesn't cost me anything. A, B, C. Oh, wrong tool. There we go. A, B, C, D, and E for wave 4. And also let's, and another trend line. There we go. And then further downside for wave C. That's also possible. And at that point, we could either hold these lows or just break through them, but just slightly. I do not want to see a significant and a sizable move south of the low of 28,000. And obviously the other alternate is a double XY, so another triangle in B and further downside to come. So I guess we will see what's going to happen. As always, I just wanted to give you some ideas on what we could expect. And as always, if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and it won't let you miss out on all the videos that I post. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.